See, so what's happening here is Jimmy B's the painter, and he sprays the straightest lines. The problem is he also doesn't have the ability to see anymore. So Thor, there's just a second set of eyes, and since Thor is in the chilling department, it's a really, and see the hands in the gun. See how much time we save there? And then these savings, I get to sit here and eat corn. Look at that. It's like, that's poetry in motion right there. Poetry in motion. Beautiful. Grandpa's gotten really good at not putting the hose in the primer anymore.
Yeah.
Good work. Oh man. Yeah, he's really working out. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
Straight stop?
No.
Alright.
Look at that. We got first coat in. Hey, you put high flip on that. And can you see the J5 logos in those lower 4-link mounts? Man. Got the undercoating all done on the Barracuda. Getting ready to throw the rear end back in it. 4-link bars are color matched to the exterior of the car. Got the brake lines all ran. You guys seen the time lapse or the video that James and Emma made last week. Throwing 4-link in. Probably just do a time lapse of it this go around. So have fun, enjoy.
Dude, I bring him a whole phone home yesterday, and he's like, fuck this phone, I don't need a fucking phone, this phone sucks.
He's got the same one I got.
So, got the drive shaft in, 4-link bars in.
No
Just
swearing.
need a couple nylocks. Thor's keeping the swearing to a minimum. Jimmy B's chilling. And Jake's gonna go get me some nylocks and
What do you mean chilling? I just got done fucking doing the...
you did.
Why do you think it looks so fucking nice?
Oh yeah, Jimmy B.
I'm all about to swear, baby. See, it's a bull, baby.
Jimmy B just got the undercoat on this thing, looking sweet. I've already said this, but he doesn't get praised enough, it sounds like, so.
He's missing the shocks here in the rear.
Yeah.
Gas tank's not in.
We're gonna get the shocks and the gas tank in.
Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can find
Some nylocks. Thor's gonna clean 3/4.
Half-inch?
3/4.
I'm gonna clean the...
You
Hey, you wanna get it before and after.
Hey, get some
Yeah,
tinfoil.
yeah. Get some tinfoil and rub that out.
Where's the tinfoil at?
I don't know.
Jake's gonna get it, tell him.
Hey,